Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Kawai ES920 Digital Keyboard Piano and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings. Now you might want to do this for one of two reasons. The first reason is troubleshooting. If you're getting in a situation where it's not acting right, or doesn't seem to be responding, or it just seems to be bugging, or any kind of issues where it's not working, not making the right sound, a hard reset can fix some of these issues. And the other thing is, if you just want to get all the settings back to the way they were when you took it out of the box and just start fresh on the keyboard, we can go ahead and do that. It's really easy to do. We're going to access the reset option straight from the menu. So if you go to the menu arrow and you just start toggling, you can toggle through to the settings menu automatically. If you just start using the arrows on the menu arrows up here, and you'll come to one that says factory reset. And once you get that, you'll hit the record button to select it, and then you'll have to confirm it. So it'll say press the up arrow to confirm. So then to confirm it, you'll just on the menu, you'll hit the up arrow. That will confirm it, and it will reset the piano to its factory default settings.